Stihl KM94 service kit. So in the service kit, we're not going to do the full service. We're not going to put the double filter into it. The double filter's alright at the minute still, so we're going to put air filter in, put our spark in, and then we'll put our normal fuel filter in as well. We'll just change them quickly. So to start, take a spark plug cover off, just out with it. I use this, put it on in, give it a good tug, that'll come out. I have a T-bar for doing it, but your standard Stihl, what you get with it, will take it out. So just down into the back of it, or your left turn. Back out with it. As you can see, very, very black. I'll do a before and after of the old spark plug and the new spark plug. So there's your two different spark plugs. There's a new one, there's the old one. New one, as you can see, is clean black. One's black the whole way around with maybe run a wee bit rich, but it's maybe a year without a service. So just simply set the old one aside, new one down in. Start it with a hand, always start it with a hand. Feed it down in. Take your T-bar, your standard Stihl wrench, and just give it a wee tighten. You'll feel it. You'll feel it going. You need to get the crush washer. You'll feel the crush washer go. Once the crush washer's gone, that's it. It's in there now. That's it, well tight anyway. And then just back on with that there. Back on in this here one. Simply down back in. And then flip her over on the other side. So we'll get to this here. And then same thing. Out. Out with it. Out with it. Be a wee bit fiddly, but you see, new one versus your old one. See all the settlement on it, and on the other side, same thing. So new one, old one, set your old one aside. Get your new one, line it up. Nice tap around the whole way. Take your cover, put a wee cover back on, and back in. And then the only thing we need to do now is flip it back over, maybe move the camera and we'll see into the back of it. So for the fuel, I had to take all my fuel out there, but just all I do is bend a piece of wire, just a wee small piece of wire, just put a wee bend in it with a set of pliers. Find your fuel filter, there it is. So single end, that one's a single end, it's not a double-ended one, just to show. There is a double-ended one, but we're not changing that one. There's a double-ended one and a wee hose, but we'll not change that. So put a good grasp and just pull it. Go to the side, probably leak a wee bit, so quicker the better. New one in, all you do is flip it around and just set it on in. Feed it on in, get your wee wire, and just apply pressure back and in. Further in the better. Yep, make sure it's in the back of the tank. As you can see, wee wire's going down and back in. And put your fuel in it, give it a pull, and that'll be it, ready to go. Fully serviced for the year anyway.